Hi everyone, here we've got REALME C3 and let me share with you how to manage Google account on this device. So firstly how to remove it and then how to add new one. So firstly we have to enter the settings, let's do it, and here we have to scroll down actually to the very bottom in order to tap on users and accounts. As you can see here we've got our previously added Google account, so let's remove it, let's tap on it. Here we have to tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on remove account simply. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK. Okay, we have to verify and that it is you, so just let me put my finger on the sensor and let's wait a second. We can probably go back, and as you can see our Google account simply disappeared, so it means that we successfully removed it from this device. So right now we can add new one, just tap on add account, choose obviously Google, tap on it. Make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required for this operation. And from this step we can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone, so let me do this. Okay, I've got it saved, so simply tap on next after that. Right now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, let's tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course you can read them, just tap on it and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so simply tap on more and then accept. Okay. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage Google account in your REALME C3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.